Hi and welcome back once again. So in this tutorial I will show you how we could use the different tools under the insert menu so that you could implement the tools in your Word documents. So to activate this ribbon we have to open a document. So I'm going to open a document for the time being. So to open a document we have to click on the file menu, then we have to click on open and then browse, and I'm opening the report I have already created for this tutorial purpose. So as you have seen, then after opening this document, these tools under the insert menu is now activated. Now I'm going to show you one by one. So in the first section, this is the page section, and there are three tools available under it. So if we want to put a cover page to our document, we can use the cover page option. So to do that we have to click on the drop down, then it will show us different types of cover pages. As you have seen that we have different types of cover pages. So these are actually required for preparing the report of your company. So we can choose one. As you have seen that a cover page is created for our document. So we can rename this document title just like my official document. Okay, and we can put uh, details here and put on name and course title here. So in this way we can insert a cover page. Now if we want to create a blank page, then what we will do, we can just click on blank page, and as you have seen that after this a blank page is created. Now it's time to, firstly I am undo it. So right now we have two pages. Now I need a page break. So how we could insert it, we need to put our cursor here, and we want to put a page break between our previous document and the cover page. So we can put our cursor here as well. Now I'm clicking on the page break option. So as you have seen that a page is inserted between the cover page and the my document page. So the tools available under the page group, we can use it to create our cover page. We can insert blank page and a page break there. Now in the next section is the table section. So in while we are preparing our documents, we need to insert tables to put our data or to show our data, numerical data, it could be numerical data as well. So to do that or to insert a table, we have to click on the drop down menu. As you have seen that there is an insert table. So from here we can choose how many columns we needed and how many rows we could create it. So this is the row and this is the column. So right now we are creating a table using two column, two rows. Okay, or we can use it three column, three rows. So in this way, just like we can put name, cell number, email. Okay, so in this way we can insert data in our table. Now I'm getting back to my table tool again. In this way we can easily create table and insert it there, but we can do it manually as well. Just like if we write insert table and the number of columns, we can choose the number of columns we want 4, and there should be 2 rows. So if we click OK, then as you have seen that 2 rows 4 columns are created. So this is another way to insert table in our document. Another way is draw table. So how we could do that, let's see. We can write draw, and as you have seen 1. So in this way we can manually draw the tables and insert these tables into our document. Now I'm moving to the next section. This is the Illustrator section. In this section, as you have seen that there is a picture section, online pictures, shapes, smart arts, charts and screenshots as well. So what we could do one by one, we can put pictures here. Just like I'm choosing a picture for the time being. I'm putting this human picture here. So as you have seen that we can insert a picture here in this way. Now if we want to use online pictures, we have to make sure that we have our internet connection. Then we can click on online pictures, and if you have internet connection, then it will ask you how you could use that. If you can use Bing search to search your images. As you have seen that based on your categories, you can see lots of online pictures available. If you want to choose one, just you need to select one and then you have to insert it. So as you have seen that our online pictures is available. So in this way we can put online pictures here. So I'm creating another page break. Now I'm putting a shapes. So if you click on the shape drop down, you will see that different types of shapes are available. So what you have to do, you have to choose shapes and you have to draw it here. You have seen that shapes are right now inserted. Or you can choose different types of block arrows, basic shapes, equation shapes, flow charts. So in this way, if we choose this and drag it here, as you have seen that another shape is included. Now move back to the another one. This one is the smart art section. So in smart art there are pre-built graphic available, smart art based. So based on your choosing, you can insert a smart art graphics here. Just like if you want to put list, you have to choose this category, and if you put insert and OK, then you can see that your smart art graphics is available. Okay, then another section is chart. So how we could insert a chart? Let's start to put a chart here. If we click on it, it will suggest us what kind of charts we could put. Pie chart, line chart, bar chart, or different types of charts are available here. So for the time being, we are clicking column and choose one chart and click OK. Now you can see that a chart will be available. So if if you put the data here, just like dog, as you have seen that the categories are changing: dog, cat, parrot, okay, lion. So if you change the numbers, just like 7, as you have seen the changes, it's a dynamic one. So based on your data, it will be reflected in your charts. And the last section is the screenshot. So using it, you can take a screenshot. Okay, so you can take a screenshot just like this, and you can put your screenshot here as an image. So this is the function of the screenshot. Okay, yeah, after clicking on it, it should be here. So in this way we can use the screenshot tool to insert images here as well. Now in the another section, it is the my add-ins and stores, from where you can add different types of add-ins from the Microsoft Store, and there is a Wikipedia link attached with it, and in hypertext link you can bring the information using the hypertext, just like if you use it as a hypertext, as you have seen that this document you can go through this hyperlink. Now if we want to put comments, we can write it here. Yeah, go and bring. So as you have seen that there is a comment available here, you can reply to this comment as well. So in this way we can insert comment based on our elements, just like if we want to put a comment here, airplane image. Okay, so in this way we can put comments just like that. Now there, how we could insert a header and footer here. So to, if we use header, it will be reflect in our all pages. So let's start to put a header. Then if you click on the drop down, you will see that there are lots of header designs available. So from there you can choose one. Just for the time being, I'm choosing this one, and it says my official document, so I can change my tutorial on Microsoft Word. Okay, so I'm closing it, and right now you can see this header will be available in all the pages. So in this way we can put header into our document. Now I'm putting a footer section. So usually in footer section we can use the page numbers. So in this way, if you click on the drop down, you will see that there are different designs of footers available. So from there, for the time being, I'm using this. It it will automatically put the page number, as you have seen that this is the page number from where we actually started putting our footer. This is page number 1, page 2, page 3. It will automatically input the footer based on the design we have selected. So and right now I have showed you how we could insert header and footer as well. Now it's a text box. So if you click on it, it will help to put a text box here. Now I would like to insert this one. As you have seen that it's a text box based on the design, it's already here. So here we can put our special notes. Okay, so this is the in another tool of insert menu, the text box, which we use for our special purpose. Okay, now there is a border section. As I have already showed you, to insert a border we have to select our sentence or word, then we should click on the border, and as you have seen that based on our selection the new border implemented here. Okay, and now I would like to introduce you another important thing, which is drop cap. So I'm going to click a page break. Here we can use the drop cap. First you have to choose, so based on your design the drop cap will be applicable. So if you choose one and insert it, as you have seen that the drop cap is applicable. So based on our design, first letter would be very big and others are small. So in this way we can put different types of drop caps here. Now it's time to show you some how we could use different types of equation. So to do that, there are pre-built equations are available. So for the quick purpose you can choose one, and as you have seen that equations are inserted here, and you can edit it based on your requirement. And another section is symbol. So using this you can put different types of symbol here as well. I'm clicking on the drop down and choosing a symbol here. This is the copyright symbol and this is the smiley symbol. So I'm just making it more bigger. Okay, so as you have seen that you can insert symbols and equals and smileys and different types of equations using this insert menu. So I hope from now on you can be able to use the insert menu perfectly to input your designs in your document. So thank you for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, feel free to share with others. Thank you for watching.